Goldfish Fry update. I think they are competing for the title of longest poop. And I think this one is winning. Last January 13, nag-set up ako ng dalawang blue tab for my baby ranchos. Kasi masyado na silang siksikan dun sa ating 75-gallon tank. Since I will be transferring them to the 2 blue tab, I decided to do a culling procedure again. From my last culling, I missed out this 11 rancho that has a deformities doon sa kanilang tails. Basically, ang problem lang nila is yung tail nila, yung isa okay, yung isa hindi. Yung iba nakatupi, yung iba halos wala na. Yung iba naman ay hindi symmetrical. Yung iba naman is more in nasa left yung tail, yung iba ay nasa right. Basically, ang mga nakal ko lang is yung mga may problema sa tail na hindi ko napansin nung nagkaling ako last time. Hiniwalay ko na rin nga pala yung mga magaganda yung smooth nung body structure nila at saka yung mga hindi ganun ka-smooth yung body structure is konti lang naman din. Kasi ito ay pang pip na natin na culling procedure, so I expect din na konti na lang naman yung mga pangit na quality. Aside dun sa mga hindi smooth curves, isinama ko na rin dito yung mga mababagal lumaki. Pero I decided to raise them kasi feeling ko magiging okay pa naman sila. We'll see kung magiging okay pa yung curve nila once na medyo lumaki na sila ng konti. But these guys are the material grade and those guys are the show potential. By the way, ito nga palang video na to is taken last January 13 and today is January 29, so meron tayong 16 days difference. But as of now, wala pa akong record ng current time kasi nasa province ako for some errands. Pero pauwi naman na ako tomorrow, so makikita na natin kung gaano nga ba yung nilaki nila from January 13 to January 29. By the way, ang pinapakain ko pala sa kanila is purely Tubipex daily water change. Ang gamit kong filtration is sponge filter lang kasi masyado pa silang maliit para gumamit ng submersible pump. So ang only option na meron tayo is sponge filter. To compensate with our under filter filtration, para maiwasan natin ang red spot, ang ginagawa ko is nire-remove ko yung poop day and night. And I think that's all for today's video. Pero kung gusto mo makita yung update on how will I raise this baby goldfish, make sure to like this video and follow me. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!